Cristiano Ronaldo doesn't just travel, he teleports. Almost. Because when your life includes matches, meetings, photo shoots, and entire continents, waiting at a boarding gate is not part of the plan. This is how Cristiano Ronaldo actually moves around the world. Cristiano Ronaldo plays at the highest level of world football. That means games, training sessions, brand deals, and travel. A lot of travel. In 2023, Cristiano played in Saudi Arabia, but maintains businesses in Portugal, Spain, and the United States. That's over 200,000 kilometers in the air per year. Commercial flights sound great until your schedule changes 5 times in one day. And explaining to airport security that you need to recover your legs immediately gets old after the 100th time. That's where private aviation comes in. Not as a flex, as a shortcut. Cristiano's jet is a Gulfstream G650, valued at approximately $65 million. It can fly for 13 hours non-stop and reaches 956 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most commercial aircraft. To put it in perspective, this jet can go from Riyadh to Lisbon in about 6 hours, compared to 10 or more hours with connections on a commercial flight. Private jets let Cristiano move when he needs to move. No delays, no connections, no surprise gate changes. The jet doesn't wait. The schedule doesn't negotiate. Inside a jet like this, things are very different. The G650 has seats that turn into fully reclining beds, a pressurized cabin equivalent to 1,200 meters altitude, compared to 2,400 in commercial flights. It has a lighting system that simulates different time zones to reduce jet lag, and acoustic insulation that blocks 99% of external noise. The cabin is designed with circadian rhythm lighting that literally helps your body adjust to new time zones faster. This isn't first class. This is, please don't destroy my muscles class. Cristiano Ronaldo is famous for his discipline. Training, diet, recovery, sleep, everything is calculated. At 39 years old, Cristiano has only 7% body fat and lung capacity 33% above average. He can't afford to lose a day of recovery. So yes, the plane matters. When your body pays the bills, you treat it very carefully. The G650's cabin altitude technology actually reduces fatigue by up to 30% compared to standard commercial flights. That's not luxury, that's biology. If you're enjoying this deep dive into how elite athletes actually operate, go ahead and hit that like button right now and subscribe to the channel, because we're breaking down more luxury lifestyles and the real reasons behind them. Cristiano has already played in 5 different countries, owns hotels on 4 continents, and has businesses in over 10 countries. Private aviation removes the friction between all of that. When your next match is tomorrow, sorry, your flight was canceled, is not acceptable. The jet gives him something most people don't have: control over his own time. Privacy doesn't mean hiding, it means focus. Private terminals, discreet arrivals, fewer distractions. Cristiano is one of the 10 most recognized people on the planet. In commercial airports, he would need 2 to 3 extra hours just to deal with fans and security. Less noise, more energy. Sometimes luxury is just peace and quiet. And when you have 600 million followers on social media, quiet becomes incredibly valuable. From the outside, people see luxury. From the inside, this is just logistics done right. The jet isn't the reward, it's the tool. Cristiano's G650 has the registration CR7, his initials plus his shirt number. But more importantly, it allows him to be present at family events in Portugal and matches in Arabia with only 24 hours in between. The jet looks cool, but it works even better. Modern luxury isn't loud, it's efficient. It removes problems before they appear. It saves time. Cristiano earns approximately $200 million per year. Each hour of his is worth about $23,000. A commercial flight with connections can waste 8 to 10 hours. And time is the one thing even Cristiano Ronaldo can't train more of. The math is simple. The jet isn't an expense, it's an investment in efficiency. This isn't about football. It's about performance off the field, from training to travel, from recovery to control. This is how Cristiano Ronaldo stays ahead. And Cristiano Ronaldo isn't the only one doing this. Other global icons move the same way, for different reasons. Different jets, different lifestyles, same obsession with efficiency. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the playlist for more luxury processes and lifestyles that actually make sense. Ferrari.